Alright team, this is like the first real drive at night just to give it a test run and see how we looking. So I'm gonna take a slow ride, probably not slow, but seatbelt. Let's take a ride over to Home Depot, check out a couple tools. I know they close at 9:30, so I'm sorry, close at 9 or 10, I don't know, one of those. But just to take a cruise, just so I could get a feel for what my observation and my outlook is gonna be like driving at night. So let's take a ride. All right, let's give it to you. Start up. Sounds luscious. I can't wait to do the HR swap. My next video, I'm gonna come through and I'm gonna drop y'all the HR mod swap list, just so y'all know it's official. I actually got all parts in. It was a couple of other things I wanted to order before I ordered the engine, just so I know that I'm good. We got everything upstairs. I definitely keep y'all in the loop on that, but let's go. This though, that might help just a little bit. Yeah, I like it though. Like, and the funny joint with this is like almost like my old tint, to where my old tint had like that carbon look. Like pretty much it looked hella dark on the outside, but on the inside I can honestly see pretty fucking well for it to be nighttime. So let's see what's up, let's see what we get. Hopefully I don't get fucked with on this little night ride. Let's see what we got. Put a little video up. If anyone has the home link feature and you want to connect your signal to the joint, you have like this, because I know it's extra steps if you want to put it in on a garage. You know, you got the roller and all of that, but let's see what's up. I might put that up there, see what's shaking. But yeah, I can't front. It's pretty dark, but let's go. Can't front. I'm very happy with the tent. I'm trying to let it dry completely before I come on the inside and I treat the windows again with the Rain-X anti-fog treatment. Because I can't front, that joint is really good. It keeps your windows real crispy, it keeps your windows real clear, and that bead factor when I was driving home in the rain, it was definitely a good look. So we'll see what's up. Definitely want to keep y'all in the loop with that, but as of right now, definitely digging it. Let's go for a ride. Engine swap, man. Like, been running with a few people on the highway, you know what I'm saying? American Muscle, JDM, Euro, Benzes and shit. So it's like, I know that engine swap gonna give this a little extra pop. You know, real sleeper on them. I mean, it probably ain't gonna be no sleeper once they see that carbon fiber hood. And to talk about that carbon fiber hood right quick, so keeping y'all up to date completely, that carbon fiber hood is, I'm looking into it, right? So I was going with Vivid Racing. I wanted to go with VIS, but love it. I was gonna go with the VIS Racing, the website, but I reached out to them 3 consecutive times and I haven't gotten anything back. That's kind of discouraging. So what I'm probably gonna do is end up going with Vivid Racing. Their customer service as of right now was great. I've been talking to a gentleman that has gotten back to me on numerous occasions, letting me know that he's gonna check with the warehouse and see what they get with that. After checking with the warehouse, he got back to me. I don't know if it's made to order or if it's made like they make one or two, or once you put in the order they'll make it. You know, same thing. But the dude definitely said that I would be, if I put in the order now, I probably wouldn't get the hood for another month or so. So not too thrilled about that, but I mean, it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? Like you get what you pay for. So let's turn up. Oh, just to throw that in the air, man. Got a few things I'm gonna be looking into. Getting everything together for this HR swap. Turn that down. Getting a few things together for this HR swap, and everything is coming together. I actually just peeped Nice Formance's website, and I seen that they have the cam wheels like ready to go, like already cut and shaved and all of that. So I think I really might hop on that. And I see they have the hoses for the intake manifold, the upper intake manifold, as far as making it real simple for the swap. So I think I might pick those up just to make sure this swap is that much easier and to cut some time on this work. So you already know. Let's take a look at the surfer right quick, man. Yeah, man. I'm telling y'all, man, that tint get this shit such a different feel. Like I fell in love with the car all over again, bros. Like I love the customization I did with the headlights to give it that extra pop. I love the hood. Can't wait to get the carbon fiber. You already know. But yo, the tint make the car look 10 times better. Like I love my shit before, but right now I'm in love. Be the exhaust got the shit sounding fire. I can't wait to do the engine swap. On a side note, I think I might retint my taillights just a little bit darker, because it was a light tint that I put on it. So I'm thinking maybe 2 layers that should have it just a little bit darker and give it that nice pop that the old Surfer have to give the 2.0 that same feel. Next side note, I'm looking to change my bumper. So I want to do the 07-08 bumper swap. Found a dude on the bay, on eBay. He's giving it up a brand new bumper, painted, ready to match. I fucks with that. I fucks with that hard. So let me run into Home Depot right quick. We take that ride back. All right, team. Picked up the little screws that I needed for my toilet. That's what I came over here for. Got those. We about to take a ridey ride home. But quick joint. Yo, does anybody else do this, bro? Like, if you're a real car enthusiast, I know you do this shit. Like, you see the parking lot, right? I know everyone else be the type to park their shit a half a mile away from everybody. But now, drop a comment, because I know this probably happened to you. You park like this, and all of a sudden, every Tom, Dick, and Harry wants to park around you. I hate that shit. It grinds my gears. All right, team, let's take this ridey ride home. Ooh, let's throw that in the air too. Got a box, boy. 0 fucks given. Oh man. Yo, a feature that I love, Mo, and again is with the design that I did with my custom Blood Moon headlights. Yo, this should get me every time. All day. all day. I love that shit. It's the small joints that makes the car pop. So now let's get back to the shit at hand. Love the tone on it. Like the tone on the car is just sexy. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. All right, happy trails. All right, we got the vibes right. Let's head home. Quick order pickup. Love that. Get in, get out. That's the OG's classic. You already know. Oh, I see motherfuckers was doing donuts up in here. Okay, let me see if I can avoid the majority of these damn speed bumps. That's like my worst nemesis. Hate speed bumps. Alright, I'll take one. I'll take one. One better than 2, 3, 4, all of that. Hop into some highway shenanigans. Get the tunes banging. Y'all already know what time it is. Naughty. Naughty. Honda Civic with glow lights. I'm sorry, Honda Accord with the glow lights. Little light bar. Okay. See, he's trying to get nasty with it over there. We out. You already know it's your boy Sir V, aka that OG. Like, share, comment, hit that subscribe button. Keep your eye in the loop. We got plenty of content on the way. Come on with it. Come through. Yo, we in here. We in the building. You already know what it is. You know, you digging the ride along? You know what I'm saying? You digging hanging out with your boy? Hit that subscribe button and drop a comment. Other than that, I'll catch y'all next time. We on that Abuse VQ type shit.